And welcome back. On my walk around the Hanok village, I have made it to Pungnammun Gate. Moon, I believe, is gate, but I don't know if it's gate or just gate. Anyhow, this is the southern gate of Jeonju, and one of the cool things about it is that this gate is nicknamed Pungnammun Gate because the nickname of Jeonju is Pung. So a mayor of this city actually named it that. It's not the original gate, big surprise. It was actually burnt down or destroyed by the Japanese when they originally invaded in the 1500s, and then it was rebuilt in the 1700s only to be burned down again. So this is a reconstruct of it, and they're obviously doing some more work on it right now. That's why it's boarded up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go try to see if there's any sweets or snacks that I could go try now. It's really cold, so I'm kind of at a loss of what to do next. One really neat thing about this area, though, is that this gate is literally in a loop. It's like what do you call a roundabout, and there are 4 streets that go off in kind of like different directions, cardinal directions, I believe is how you say it. It's really easy just to walk around real quick and really easy to get to. There's actually not much blocking it off. So I was just walking in the city, just stepped out of the Gyeonggijeon Hall and turned right and saw it. So I just decided to walk over. But yeah, all right, let's see what I can find next here.